pertanyaan yang kemarin saya berikan, ini dia, coba kita bahas. Pertanyaannya, the prisoners were prevented from speaking to reporters because, ya kan? Kita harus notice dulu verbnya. Satu, kita ketemu prevented. Subjeknya kita ketemu the prisoners. Ada subjek dan verb. From speaking is not a verb. To reporters because. Nah, kita ketemu konektor. Kalau kita ngelihat dari materi yang kemarin, kalau bentuknya begini, berarti kurang lebih formatnya begini. Subjek, verb, konektor, subjek, verb. Subjek, verb, dan konektornya sudah ada. Berarti kita tinggal menemukan subjek dan verb dalam pilihan. Satu-satu kita lihat. Yang A, not wanting the story in the papers. No verb. So, wrong. B, the story in the papers, the superintendent did not want. Ini ada double subject. 1, 2. Ya, kita hanya butuh satu subjek dan satu verb. Maka saya coret. Untuk pilihan C, the public to hear the story, kita nggak ketemu verbnya nih. To hear is not a verb, ya, bukan verb. Kita nggak ketemu. Pilihan terakhir, the superintendent, kita ketemu subjek. Did not want, verb. Selesai, oke? Okay? So the best answer for this question is D. Oke, kira-kira begitu. Semoga teman-teman bisa memahami. Gampang kan? Thank you. See you on the next skill.
Hi LCers, welcome back again into our channel Kampung Inggris LC in our program Teaching Tutorial with me, Mr. Diaz. And we're going to continue our lesson about how to over something or how to make an over, the second one. And I'm going to give you tips how to make an over. Alright, so the next one you can say, would you care for? Would you care for? It's in formal situation. Formal situation. It's really formal. Yeah, it seems like my first video. Would you care for? For example, would you care for a glass of tea? Maukah kamu segelas teh? Ini dengan cara yang sangat sopan, teman-teman. Would you care for? And we're going to the second, that is how about and verb ing. After mentioning about, you have to put verb ing. So, for example, how about swimming in the pool? How about making a cake? How about talking on the phone? So, like that way guys. So, how about and verb ing. Jadi setelah about tambahkan verb ing. Untuk menyatakan bagaimana kalau kita makan nasi, bagaimana kalau pergi ke pasar? How about going to the market? Or the last one you can say who wants. Who wants is for questioning someone. Who wants a cake? Who wants a pizza? Who want a pizza, for example, ya. Jadi siapa mau kalau kalian menawarkan sesuatu. Yang pertama bisa would you care for, itu dengan cara yang sangat sopan. And the second, how about, bagaimana jika, atau bagaimana kalau, seperti itu. Atau yang terakhir, siapa mau apa, terserah. Bisa juga, you can use like fancy in British style, ya, dengan menggunakan kata fancy pengganti wants dalam British. Who fancy a pizza? Who fancy a pizza? Nah, jadi kalian bisa gunakan 3 ini. Okay? So, that's all that I can share to you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like it and enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching. The last I say, hasta la vista. Mau belajar di LC hanya di
Kampung Inggris LC.
Okay, bye-bye.